In that Simpsons episode where Bart destroyed his entire town, he had 15 megaphones. Well, guess what, Bart? We have hundreds of megaphones right here. If your puny 15 megaphones could destroy a town, oh boy, I'm afraid of what's gonna happen to North America. Somebody once told me the world was gonna roll it. I ain't the sharpest tool in the shed. Somebody once told me. Alright, 2 wasn't good enough. Looks like we gotta do, let's do 4. Ah! Prepare the cannon! Gosh dang it! We still didn't break the glass! We need more! Guys, comment, is this a dog or a bear? It's a bear. We hit it with the 8 megaphone cannon, and she's still standing sturdy. That's it! Double the megaphones! 16! Alright, Jake Paulers, do I have a treat for you? Like I said, Bart Simpson used 15 megaphones in this meme. We have 16 lined up right here. Dude, honestly, if the world does not explode right now, I'm gonna be very angry. I'm gonna start singing and he's gonna turn them on one by one. It's everyday, bro, with that Disney Channel flow. 5 million. Where are you going? Mr. Beast, dude, what's wrong? Dude, the Simpsons lied to me! Get out of my face, I'm done with this.
You'll be okay. You can't let cartoons dictate your future.
You're right. You know what? I'm gonna break glass with megaphones. It's the last thing I do! 30 of them! 32. 32! Alright, anyways.
Ready to go and bomb on, man.
You good? That was the definition of Gucci Gang ear rape. Jeez. Alright. Oh, by the way, this glass didn't break. That was actually 32 megaphones, but it's alright, boys. We're not stopping. Let's do 50. You will break. So true. Yeah. I've seen it. Yeah. It's real. Yeah. I know. That's quite larger than most people. Shoes? Yeah. This is for all you ladies out there. I have a very special song for you, all right? Dance till you're dead, 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 dead. it shatter, boys. It's time we bring out all 100 leaf flow, or all 100 megaphones. Oh, we ready? Alright pros, my name is Jacksepticeye. We have 100, I keep wanting to say leaf blowers. 100 megaphones pointed at this glass. We are going to break it. Ear protection on. Now let's go.
Alright, flight 69, you're cleared for... What the f*** is that?
Alright guys, it's time for phase 2. We put it in a circle, not a block. This isn't Minecraft. Enjoy. Why do you, what is that?
Nothing.
Did you shoot? No?
No.
Did you shoot it?
I just wanted the video to be done. It's so loud and my ears hurt.
God damn it. Alright, so the Simpsons may have predicted
Trump being president, Lady Gaga's halftime show, the 2016 Nobel Prize winner, Siegfried and Roy tiger attack, Arnold Palmer, the faulty voting machines, and Barack Obama.
But you want to know what they didn't predict? The f***ing megaphones! They were wrong!
They were wrong. It can break glass. You just need 100.
Dude, they used 15 megaphones to destroy the city. We used 100! All it did was destroy my eardrums!
The Simpsons lied. We can't trust cartoons anymore. What's even the point of life at this
I know, right?
Where's the hunting rifle?
Guys, comment below if you were like me and misled by cartoons. I mean, what? Do sponges not talk? Come on. Done. I quit.